Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are a fan of all things retro, charming, and cozy, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into some vintage kitchen decor ideas that will transform your cooking space into a nostalgic heaven. Whether you are obsessed with pastel colored appliances, mismatched dishware, or that rustic farmhouse charm, we have got all the tips to bring that timeless vintage vibe to your kitchen. So grab your apron and let's get started. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming tips and ideas to elevate your home decor. First of all, use vintage colors. Stick to soft pastels, mint, aqua, butter yellow, blush pink, or bold retro tones like cherry red, navy, forest green. Paint cabinets or walls in these colors for an instant vintage feel. Add open shelving. Install wooden or metal shelves to display vintage dishware, glass canisters, or animal bowls. Group items by color or type for an organized look. Decorate with vintage finds. Look for old tin signs or vintage ads, antique egg butters, skills, or bread boxes, classic tea kettles or cookie jars. Choose retro-inspired lighting. Go for pendant lights, industrial-style bulbs, or schoolhouse pictures. Brush, bronze, or animal finishes enhance the vintage mood. Use gingham or floral textiles. Add charm with gingham curtains, floral dish towels, or a cute tablecloth. Consider fabric silk covers for chairs or cushions. Incorporate classic flooring. Install checkered black and white tiles, linoleum with patterns, or even rustic wooden flooring. Display kitchen essentials. Use hooks or open racks for hanging cast iron pans, mugs, or vintage utensils. Mason jars and glass canisters can store dry goods while adding to the decor. Use classic backsplash materials. Go for white subway tile, tin panels, or bedboard for a clean vintage look. Add contrasting grout like black and white tiles for that 50s dinner effect. Add a chalkboard or message board. Hang a framed chalkboard for daily menus, recipes, or vintage style cards. It adds personality and feels like an old general store or dinner. Bring in vintage cookbooks. Display a stack of classic cookbooks with own covers on open shelves or countertops. Style with baskets and crates. Wicker baskets, wooden crates, or galvanized bins can hold produce, towels, or pantry goods while adding rustic charm. Create a cozy nook. If space allows, add a small breakfast nook with a vintage table and mismatched chairs. Add cushions in retro patterns or faded florals for that cozy cottage feel. Hang vintage art or prints. Frame retro food ads, botanical prints, or vintage recipe cards. Old magazine covers or kitchen themed wall art bring instant charm. Choose retro inspired tableware. Look for dishes with floral patterns, pastel trims, or 50s or 60s prints. Mix and match plates and cups for an eclectic, well loved look. Use a curtain skirt on lower cabinets or sink. Replace cabinet doors with a gingham or floral fabric skirt. Super cozy and old school. Incorporate a hutch or china cabinet. A painted, distressed hutch is perfect for displaying vintage glassware, cookbooks, or dish sets. Great for both decor and functional storage. Add a retro rug or mat. Place a small kitchen rug with a vintage pattern near the sink or stove. Look for brighter rugs, floral prints, or even fox Persian designs in faded tones. Use tins and canisters for storage. Store flour, sugar, tea, or coffee in vintage metal tins or ceramic canisters with charming labels. Stack them for display or line them up on open shelves. Mix in antique metal accents, brushed copper or brushed nickel handles, knobs or hanging utensils. Add warmth and authenticity. Vintage copper pots or a colander hanging on the wall make great statement pieces. Create a retro coffee or tea station. Use a vintage tray or card with a classic kettle, retro mugs or canisters for sugar or tea. Add a small chalkboard sign or cute label tags. Decorate above cabinets. Fill that empty space with vintage baskets, ceramic toasters, tins, or greenery in plastic pots. Incorporate animal wear. Display animal pictures, pots, or trays, especially in white colored trims like red or blue. Great for both function and decor for open shelving. Use patterned wallpapers or decals. Add a touch of vintage flair with floral, tile, or geometric retro style wallpaper. Use it as an accent wall or inside cabinet backs for a fun surprise. Hang a plate wall. Display mismatched vintage plates in fun layouts on a wall. Use decorative hooks or plate hangers to create an artful arrangement. Decorate with fresh or dried flowers. Place a small vase of wildflowers, lavender, or baby's breath on your table or windowsill. It adds a sweet, nostalgic farmhouse touch. Incorporate a vintage step stool or retro style step stool, especially in red, mint, or chrome, is both functional and decorative. Add a retro bread box. These come in metal or enamel finishes and double as charming countertop storage. Use labeling with a vintage touch. Add handwritten or typewriter style labels to jars and canisters. Use craft paper tags or chalk labels for a dry rustic look. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below sharing your favorite vintage decor tip or idea. I would love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more fun home decor inspiration. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Happy decorating!